Actor Kangana Ranaut recorded her statement at a Mumbai police station in connection with an FIR registered against her for a social media post. In her Instagram post, the actor had allegedly linked the farmers' protest to a separatist group. Kangana had been summoned by the cops earlier as well, but she failed to appear on previous occasions.
मैं पहले बोल चुका हूँ वो मैं पहले बोल चुका हूँ कि कानून से कोई भाग नहीं सकता है, भले कोई भी है, भले कंगना है, भले मैं हूँ, भले आप हो, कानून से कोई भाग सकता है? नहीं भाग सकता है। वो कानून के सामने उसको आने दो, जो आज आ गई हो बस।
समूह को आहत पहुंची है,
बिल्कुल
ये आहत पहुंची है। इसके बाद अब क्या चाहते हैं? कंगना से आप माफी मांगना चाहते हैं?
ये बात आपने बहुत अच्छी की है। देखिए, हमारी सिख कौम ऐसी है, अगर कोई माफी मांग ले तो हम लोग उसी टाइम उसको बोलते हैं ओके, इट्स ओके। लेकिन ये उसको बड़ा दिल दिखाना चाहिए इस चीज में कि माफी मांगे तो सिख कौम माफ कर देगी। बहुत बड़ा दिल है सिख कौम का।
संधू साहब आखिरी सवाल जानना चाहेंगे, कंगना रनौत के एडवोकेट ने क्या आपसे पूछा, आपसे कनेक्शन किया?
नहीं, अभी तक कोई मेरे से बात कंगना रनौत के वकील की हुई नहीं है। हमारे वकील से हमारा बिल्कुल टच है, उनके वजह से हमारा कुछ नहीं है।
आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, when she came out, she was just showing the victory sign and she was apparently confident about recording her statement and everything. What would you take on this?
The sign that she showed was not victory, it was this, that was we, that means Kangana and the BJP in Punjab are just going to win 2 seats. So that was a sign that we are going to win 2 seats. This is actually a thing that is taken care by BJP. She is a parrot. I call her a tota of BJP. She is cancerous, Kangana Ranaut. And she is doing this on actions of BJP. The reason is that after the farmers' protest, BJP has no stand whatsoever in the state of Punjab. And Punjab in the year 2022 has elections at the start of the year. So she's just trying to be like a parrot of BJP.
Also, we spoke to Amarjit Singh Sandhu. Sandhu Sahab was very clear that if she is ready to apologize on behalf of entire Sikh community, they are ready to accept her apologies and it will be ended then and there. But now what has happened, how do you see all these things when even Kangana's representative advocate Rizwan Siddiqui said that there's no need to Kangana to apologize whatever has happened, as he is stating that there was nothing which was derogatory, that was nothing being objectionable what Kangana had posted on 21st of November 2021.
I guess Rizwan is a criminal too. He was in jail due to some case. I don't know whether he's an advocate or not. I have seen him somewhere. I have read about him in the news. So, speaking about Kangana, whether she apologizes or not, this is not something that we are going to accept. She should apologize on a humanitarian basis. That is one thing. And the world has seen. It's like with my ears and my fingers crossed. 3 days back, there was an incident where a culprit came to Golden Temple, Sri Harmandir Sahib. That is the holiest shrine of Sikhs. And he tried to do something which is very against the value of Sikhism. And that person was killed then and there, and action was taken against him. So Kangana...
Yes, absolutely. My question is coming back to Kangana Ranaut. What are all your demands? How do you take this case further? On what grounds you will find that it's a mutual thing, of course, then?
We are now going to meet the Home Minister of Maharashtra, and our CM is not well, so we will be meeting Sanjay Raut, and we will be taking a demand that this cancer should be thrown out of Mumbai and Maharashtra. We demand an action of Tadipar. She is asamajik, she is not bound to live in Mumbai. She has called Mumbai Pakistan earlier too, and a person like this is not fit to stay in the society.
The next date is of 22nd of January.
22nd January, yes, she has been called to the court and we have registered an FIR. So this is our first victory, and it's like what we want is the next step to be her in jail, or else a case of Tadipar, she should be thrown out of Mumbai. Jao Wapish Shimla.
As Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut has reached Khar police station, and here we are showing you the live visuals from the Khar police station, wherein Kangana Ranaut is inside the police station recording her statement, and this is with connection to her social media post which was done in the month of November 2021, and where she allegedly had written some objectionable remarks over Sikh community and over to which a Mulund resident from Mumbai had registered a complaint against Kangana Ranaut on saying that this is tarnishing the image of entire Sikh community. And here we are, well, inside Kangana Ranaut is there. She is still recording her statement. The questioning is going on, the quizzing is going around Kangana Ranaut's social media post that was questioned earlier by entire Sikh community and Akali Dal of Mumbai. Remember, this entire thing happened a few months back, and then she was summoned twice by Mumbai police, and yesterday she cited personal reasons and she couldn't reach to Mumbai police. And after that, Mirror Now team had exclusive word with her advocate Rizwan. What he has said, let me just tell this also to our viewers, that he stated that tomorrow she will be there in the first half, and here she is recording her statement in the police station. And now it is important to know that what are the more outcomes that would really remind her that what made her write such things on social media, or what kind of connection she had to post about when we speak about the farmers' protest, the agitation which was going on in large numbers. And hence, here she is recording her statement, answering the questions which are put up by Mumbai police.